things Indian. We're going to make Aloo Gobi today. So great vegetarian fare, full of flavour and not too many ingredients, except of course the spices. Add some mustard seeds, black mustard seeds. Now when they begin to pop, then you start add the rest of the ingredients. So I've got some curry powder, some bruised cardamom pods, just to smash them, a bit of turmeric, you don't really have to use that. Freshly grated ginger. I've got garlic and some chilli, which is not strictly necessary, but you know, in for a penny, in for a pound. Throw in some fresh curry leaf. Don't sweat it if you don't have curry leaf, doesn't really matter, but I like to show off the fact I've got a curry plant. And then some onion. Give those a good fry, about 6 minutes really, just so that everything softens slightly before we add our other vegetables. Now the onions are beautifully sort of burnty colour. Well, they're not burnt at all, they're sort of yellowy and lovely, golden maybe. I'm going to toss in the potatoes. If you've got baby potatoes, use those. If you've got sweet potatoes, use those. It's a bit of a labour of love, because what you're going to need to do now is add some stock, and you're going to have to check on it from time to time so things don't burn. So, it's about a half a cup of stock. I would imagine this is vegetable stock. Let it cook for about 15 minutes, but do check it, because you don't want the stock to disappear and burn the whole thing. Then we're going to add some cauliflower. So it's been about 15 minutes. I've run around the garden a couple of times. I've got cauliflower here. Now look, if you don't have cauliflower, you can simply do this with different root vegetables, as I said, butternut, sweet potato. Then I'm going to put a little bit more stock in, because we just want this to, this is just ordinary vegetable stock powder mixed with some water, nothing fancy. A good dose of salt and pepper. And then once again, put the lid on and simmer it for about 10-15 minutes. And I reckon we might be done. We'll see then. Right, another 15 minutes has passed, another jog around the garden. And there you have it. I'm scattering some coriander on top. If you don't have any coriander, never mind. And there you have it. Aloo Gobi in lockdown.